What's the meaning of balsa wood? Balsa wood. Balsa wood.
Balsa wood. Balsa wood. Balsa wood is a type of lightweight wood that comes from the balsa tree, which is native to South and Central America. It is known for its extremely low density and high stiffness-to-weight ratio, making it popular for use in a wide range of applications. Because of its light weight, balsa wood is often used in model airplane construction, as well as in other crafting projects where a lightweight wood is desired. Despite its low density, balsa wood is surprisingly strong and durable, which makes it a popular choice for use in various types of furniture construction, as well as in some types of sports equipment, such as surfboards and boats.